first video was just to kind of explain the theory, the formulas. But now we're going to just solve a few examples. And the first one, just a simple pyramid. So we've got a pyramid, okay? It's a square pyramid. We've got the lengths are 14 and 14. And the height, the distance between the apex and the center of the square is 16. Okay? Now the volume, that's easy. Let's start with the volume. The volume is simply third times the area of the base, which is 14 square, times the height, which is 16. And it looks like everyone got the right answer, no problem there. Where is the problem? As I told you, the problem is always going to be in the surface area. That's a little bit more complicated. Okay? So we've got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 4 different sides. The first one is the square. Oh, problem. 14 square. Then we've got 4 triangles. They're all congruent, meaning they're identical. So we just need to calculate the area of the triangle. Okay? Easy? Actually not. Okay? What's the area of the triangle? Is half times the base, which in this case is, let's draw this one. Okay? Let's use this triangle. Okay? So the base here is 14. Okay? Half times base, 14, times the height. Now what all you guys did is, oh, the height is 16. But that's not, that's the distance between, that's not even on the triangle. Look at this triangle. Or on this triangle. That line is not on the triangle. Can you see that? I'm just going to pause here just to convince you. Okay, so just to clarify again, right? You can see that the triangle here, this one or this one, is on the surface of the pyramid, where the height is the line inside the pyramid, where the pharaoh is living. Okay, we're going to have a break in a minute, don't worry. Okay? So I need to find the height in this triangle, which is this height. Okay? This is the height. Okay? And the question, how am I going to find it? Okay, this line, which is on the surface of the triangle. How I'm going to find it? Guys, Pythagoras is not a swear word. You can use Pythagoras. It's okay. Alright? How are we going to use Pythagoras? We're going to use this triangle. Look at this. The triangle from this, 16. Okay? Some resistance here, right? This is like inside the triangle. Basically, one side is your height, your 16. One side is the height that we're looking for, that one. And one side is this. Now, if we know this, and this is obviously 90 degrees because it's a right pyramid. Now, if this is 16, and I don't know that one, then obviously I need to know that one. But what is that one? 7. It's 7. It's half this base. So that's going to be 7. Okay? So what is the height that we're looking for? We'll call it H with a little chupchik, we say in Hebrew. Okay, this height, okay? Chupchik, okay? It's going to be 16 square plus 7 square, and all that square root of that. Then we just find quickly what it is. I'll pause here. Alright? So we got 17,46, and that means that the height we're timing this base, the 14, has to be that 17,46. Okay? So I'll just repeat everything. Okay? The surface area is the base of the square, 14 square, plus 4 triangles. Okay? 4 triangles. The area of each one of them is half times the base times the height. So the moral here is you got to understand and be careful. What is the base? What is the height? Okay? The base, are we talking about this base? This base, well, in this case, it's the same. Height. What height are we talking about? Is the distance between the apex and the base, or is it the height that lies on the triangle? Okay. And last thing, again, Pythagoras is not a swear word. You can use it. Okay. Carry on. Just adding to this here. What I've done here, I timed it by the decimal form, 17.46, and that is a problem. Can you tell me why is that a little bit of a problem? It's not accurate. We're already doing some kind of what's the word? We're doing some kind of rounding here. Okay? And rounding is fine, but we should do it at the end. We should do it at the end. Otherwise, it will change the result. So rather than do what I've done here, okay, instead write it as a third form. Put that in the calculator. It will give you the third form first. Square root of 305. Time that. Okay, time that. and then eventually don't leave your answer in this insert. Then write down two decimal places. Okay.